Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to Sparky AI and the Automatic Duplication System, the ADS, your game-changing tool for business growth, team building, and maximizing affiliate earnings. Imagine having a digital marketing partner that handles lead generation, follow-ups, onboarding, and even team training, all from one simple dashboard. That's exactly what Sparky AI does when integrated with the ADS system. It generates high-quality, compliant leads and automates calls, texts, and emails to keep your prospects engaged and moving seamlessly through your sales funnel. The ADS system is not just about marketing. It's built to drive affiliate commissions and team growth. From your user-friendly dashboard, you can manage multiple business streams and even promote additional companies. Every new member automatically gets an active sign-up link, ensuring you earn commissions continuously. Now, let's get into the bonuses that really make this system stand out. With Sparky AI and ADS, you receive a clear affiliate compensation plan where you earn 25% residual commission monthly on all memberships and recurring fees from your directly referred affiliates. Additionally, with the advertising co-op team building packages, you earn a 25% one-time commission on copper to platinum packages and 15% on diamond to executive packages from your tier 1 affiliates. The best part? Our 90-day assurance plan guarantees that if your commissions don't match or exceed your membership fee after 90 days, you won't be charged until they do. This means you only pay when you're earning, a true commitment to your success. Between unlimited follow-ups, a robust lead management portal, done-for-you funnels, and custom campaign tracking, the ADS system simplifies the entire process so you can focus on growing your team and revenue. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more updates and tips on maximizing your business success with Sparky AI and the ADS system.